Introducing the Cobalt Beach 2 Hot Tub. With a sleek design that fits perfectly into any space, the Cobalt Beach 2 is your new backyard oasis. Featuring 3 seats and 2 lounges, it's perfect for those intimate gatherings or solo soaks. Imagine 60 powerful jets driven by 3 Stormforce 7 pumps working their magic on your stress points. Needing only a 13 AMP power supply, the 18 LED lights create a tranquil ambiance, while 4 fountains add that extra touch of serenity. A foot massage and a Balboa TP200 control panel make for effortless operation and relaxation. With a 2-kilowatt heater and enhanced insulation, your perfect soak is just a button away. Plus, enjoy your favorite tunes with the built-in Bluetooth sound system. Free steps, an insulated cover, filter and delivery and installation across the UK mainland are all included. Unwind in style with the Cobalt Beach 2 Hot Tub today.